Welcome back to Top 4 Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix P0200 to P0209 fuel injector circuit malfunction trouble codes. If you're getting these trouble codes, how do you know which fuel injector is causing the issue? It is very important to identify the cylinders. For example, for this vehicle, it's going to be cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be 5, 6, 7, and 8. If you're getting P0201, it's going to be this cylinder for cylinder number 1. And if you're getting P0208, it's going to be this cylinder. So once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The cylinder location is going to vary between vehicles. When you're getting these fuel injector circuit malfunction codes, how do you know if you have a wire issue or a fuel injector issue? It is very easy to tell if you have a bad fuel injector or a bad fuel injector wire. For example, if you're getting P0201, that's going to be cylinder number 1 fuel injector circuit malfunction code. So it's going to be this one. So to test it, all you need is a screwdriver, and all you have to do is start your engine and let it run. Next, take your screwdriver and touch the fuel injector. If the fuel injector is working properly, you can feel the fuel injector clicking. You'll feel a vibration on the screwdriver handle. Now you don't feel vibration on the screwdriver handle. You either have a bad fuel injector connection, or a bad fuel injector wire. So now you need to test the fuel injector. So get yourself a multimeter and set to ohms. So what you want to do is you want to disconnect the fuel injector connection, and you want to touch the terminal. So when you touch the terminal, you should have continuity. If you're not getting continuity, then you know that fuel injector is bad. Here is an example. As you can see, we have continuity. Now if you're getting continuity, then your fuel injector is not the issue. So the next problem is you either have a wire issue, a connection issue, or a bad engine control module. Next, you want to check for an open in the fuel injector circuit. So you can use a Noid light or a test light. Next, disconnect the fuel injector wire with the engine running. Take a T-pin, or you can back probe it, it's up to you. Touch one of the connection like this. Take your test light, touch the T-pin, take your test light, and touch the terminal. The test light should flash. If the test light does not flash, that means you have an open in the fuel injector circuit. Now, if you have a faulty engine control module that's causing that code, most likely you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe all the fuel injector will not work properly. How do you fix an open circuit? In this part, you're going to need a wire diagram. So most likely when you have an open circuit can occur right at the connection. You can have broken wires, or you can have a break between the fuel injector wire going all the way to your engine control module connection. This is how you test the wire. This is the fuel injector wire. This part here is going straight to the engine control module. Next, you want to pierce the wire right at the engine control module and pierce the wire right at the fuel injector. And next, you want to take a resistance test or continuity test. When you have it open in the circuit, it's going to be between the engine control module and the fuel injector. So again, you want to take a continuity test between the engine control module and fuel injector. So let's test the wire. You should have continuity. If you're not getting continuity, then you know there's a break in that wire and you should repair it. So that's how you fix P0200 to P0209. I hope you found this video useful. As I'll thank for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Repairs.